Hello and welcome to the Programming in C++ Part 2 series. In this video we're going to go over some exercises from Chapter 13 which deals with overloading and templates. Before we do, go ahead and smash that like button. You can leave a comment and also make sure you're subscribed to the channel. So let's see what our first exercise is going to be. We're going to do Programming in C++ Part 2, Programming Exercise 13-7. Or sorry, 13-17. And here it's going to simply write a program that uses C++11 random number generator to generate 25 real numbers between 10 and 100. And then the task one is use C++11's random real num function. All right, let's go ahead and see what they got for us. Should just need one main. That's the only file that we'll need. So let's start with our include statements. Okay. Just trying to copy this. There we go. And we'll need our IO manip and our random. Alright, so that's our three include statements. Let's come on down here. Let's go ahead and get rid of this. Alright, so here let's use our random underscore device and our device. And then let's do there we go. Semicolon. Spell random wrong. Alright. Now let's go default underscore random and underscore engine or random engine, and let's do num. Another bracket. This time let's go our device with the function and a space right there. Semicolon. Next, let's go uniform underscore real underscore distribution. Let's make it double. And random real num. Let's do 10. Let's see. Let's do these. Let's do 10, comma 100. Semicolon here. And let's do our set precision. CL fixed. Show point. Set precision. Set it to 2. Semicolon. Let's take a quick break and we'll be right back after this. Alright, so let's jump right into our for statement. And let's say for unsigned integer count will equal 1. And count is less than or equal to 25. And we'll count plus plus. That will go cout and random real number. Real num. Let's go space, semicolon, and then cout, and line. And we can return 0. Just there, right there. Alright, we got that. Let's look at this, what we did. So we added our manip, our random include, and here's the code. I'll let you see it. If you need to pause it, go ahead and do so. And we'll go ahead and try to run this. Numbers. Okay, 11. Alright, go ahead and calculate it. See what we got. Wait for it to calculate. I'll show you the main again. We're waiting for that. Let's see. That's all we needed to do. Check out our calculate. And there you have it. We have our green check and our 100%. Alright, so let's move on to our next exercise. Programming in C++ Part 2. Programming exercise 13-18. Right here, programming exercise 15, chapter 11 describes how to design the class point type, implement a point, redo the programming exercise so that the class point type overloads a stream insert operator, less than for easy output, overloads the stream extraction operator, less than or greater than for easy input. A point is input as A, comma B. Overloads the assignment operator to copy a point into another point. Overloads the binary operator plus as a member function so that it returns the distance between 2 points. Overloads the operator is equal to or equal as a member function so that it returns true if 2 points are the same, false otherwise. Overload the operator not equal as a member function so that it returns true if 2 points are not the same, false otherwise. Write a program to test your class. Oh, and task 1, overloaded operators. What we're doing. So let's jump right into our header file. And we got some of it done for us, but see right off top. Let's see. That's good. That's actually we need our IO stream, include IO stream. Okay, so let's add that here. IO stream, and then here for public, let's do our O streams. Friend O stream ampersand, and let's do an operator. Let's go O stream ampersand constructor and point type ampersand. Good. Semicolon. And we'll copy this one as well. Copy this. And let's paste it here. Change this to iStream. Change these. Opposite direction. Change this to iStream. And we don't need the constructor for iStream. Just need point type. Alright, so there we go. Got our semicolon. So now we go down to here, public, and let's put our constructor here. So make these spread out so I can see it good. Those was up. Using namespace std. Okay, let's get that there. There we go. Sorry about that mix up. So right under public here, first line, 14. Let's go with constructor point type. And use our ampersand. Let's do operator. Just one equals. And we'll use constructor point type. Ampersand. And semi. Sure that's right. So we're going to use that again. Let's make some space here. So let's just type these up. Bool operator use equals. Oops. Equals. Constructor point type. Ampersand, comma. Let's do comma for that one. Other point t. Parentheses. SSE. Just get back one. Place. After the equals. Other point. This one, let's do our constructor on the outside. Right now, these are going to be close, so let's copy this one. 18, let's go down one, so we have space. Change this to not equal. That's good. Let's go double for this one. Double operator plus same thing, constructor point type ampersand and other points. And constructor on the outside. Okay, let's camel paste that correctly. And we've got it. Let's take a quick break. We'll look at that as soon as we get back. Okay, let's take a look at it. Rest to 0, void set point. It's already there. Set x, get x, set y, get y. Distance, print. Point type constructor, armor, and then private x and y and if. So that is complete. So I'll show you what we typed in. So you need deposit. Added our includes in our using namespace statements. Then we added our O stream and our I stream. And then our first functions at the top. Constructor operator equals, operator equals, operator is not equal to, and operator plus. Everything else was added for us. Here it is again. If you need to pause it. I'll show it to you again. And that's our code that we input. Alright, so let's close that out and let's go to our implementation file. And let's find our spot on here. Okay, we got our include, IOStream, CMath, header file's good. Let's see. Same thing, we're going to start off, we need to do our O stream and our I stream. Alright, so let's go OStream. Implementation file. Got it. OStream. Ampersand operator. And let's go OStream. Ampersand OS object. Constructor. Point type. And points. Okay. Before, let's copy this OStream file. There's a file stream. No. But let's do this first. Let's go OS object. Open brackets, open parentheses. Let's go point dot x. Let's go comma. Let's leave space after the comma. And let's go point y, point dot y, and close that parenthesis. So there. And then let's return OS object. Semicolon. Alright, so let's do our copy. Let's paste that OStream. Let's change this to iStream. Operator, different direction. Set direction. iStream IS object. Point type. I don't need a constructor on this one, but we need point type ampersand. And here we'll call it PT. And let's go down. Brackets. Here we do char ch semicolon. IS object. Ch. Point.x, pt.x, since we got pt for this one. Next variable is going to be char again. Pty dot y semicolon, and ch again. Right. Then we want to return IS object semicolon. Alright, so now after that, let's go down to our next line. Constructor, point type, ampersand, point type, operator, colon operator, and we'll do the equals first. Got our constructor, point type, ampersand, and other PT. Here, brackets. Let's see. Here we'll just do if x is equal to 2 equals other points, other PT dot x ampersand and y is equal to other point dot y, other PT dot y. If the case, then we'll return true. Let's go. That's not right. 1 equals, so this moves down again. So it's gonna be confusing, but I gotta fix that. Bear with me. So now what I do, I'm gonna fix it. Use this in the right spot. So this should be bold because it's a true false. I'll fix that. Let's go. Well, bold point type operator equals. I'm running our constructor here as well for this one. For the first one, the only one equal, we just need if this is not equal to ampersand other point. Close that up with the type ampersand point type. So go ahead to self copy. Let's go here and bracket there. So x equals other point x. X y equals other pt y. So let's go point type in my operator here. Brackets structure point type. So point type. I'll have to look at my other file for that. Point type. That's y. Type operator equals constructor point type other point constructor here, and we got this is correct, return true, else return false. Do another bold. So let's copy this whole thing on 39, bring this down, paste it there. So that clear up. Clear that up. Okay, here point type operator is going to be as not equal. And if x is not equal to other point dot x or y is not equal to other point dot y. Return true, else return false. Okay, that good. Next we'll do plus. So this is going to be double point type. So colon and operator plus. Do our constructor point type ampersand other points pt that is, and put our constructor down here. Brackets. And let's take a quick break. We'll be right back after this. Alright, so go here, do this, return square root SQRT POW x minus other point dot x. And let's make this 2. There 2. Let's go plus fair. Alright, now let's bring this up one. That's all we need for this one. Go to void point set. Everything else looks like it's set up. Let's check the rest of this. Get X, set Y, get Y. Everything looks good on that one. Alright, so I'll show you what we did. Going to the top. I don't really remember if we had to add anything. Oh, this was added. So we started here with our O stream and our I stream. So you can pause it if you need more time on these. I'll show it to you a couple times. All the way down. Operators. All the way down to the plus. And then well, this was done for us. So here to 58. So if you need to pause it. And that is it for our implementation file. So let's go to the main. Close that out. Here. Main. And let's get this started here. Alright, so what I'm going to do here. Not too much. So let's go ahead and do our include statements. Of course, IO stream is already there. We'll use IO manip. And we'll add our header file, point type.h. Have it. And here, let's go ahead down to our main. We'll start with point type. P1, 2, 3. Come there and do P2. Do these on the same line as well, or different lines as well. Just try to make as short as lines as possible. Alright, set our precision. Fixed. Show point. Set precision. 2. Line there. So C out. Say point 1. PT1. P1. And there. And we'll use the variable P1. And line. C out. P2. Variable P2. And line. So if P1 is equal to P2, equal, we'll say points P1 and P2 are the same. And the line. Let's go distance, distance between point 1 and point 2. P1 and P2 space, and we'll go P1 plus variable P2. Enter a point in the form A, B. Semicolon. Let's go CIN P1. Cout P1. Oops. P1. Cout P2. P2. So let's go if P1 is equal to P2. Points P1 and P2 are not the same. Distance or distance between P2. Space, and then do P1 plus P2 plus P2. So we're adding those two variables, and then we're going to. All right, so that should be all we need for that. Let's take a quick break and we'll come back and show you the code. Alright, so here's what we got. Let's pull this return 0 up. Alright, so let's go check it out. Make sure you got your IOMNIP and your point type header. You need to pause, go ahead and pause it. Just show it to you. Go down and go back up. Just pause as you need. So 38 lines. There we go. Close that out. Go ahead and try to run it. There we go. Point A, B. So Alright. Alright, let's go ahead and calculate that up and see what we came up with. It's going to take some time, but yeah, don't forget, This is exercise 13-18. If everything goes well, we'll move on to the next video. It takes a minute to calculate. And it's going. Make sure that 75%. See what we didn't get right here. Overload operator equals. So let's look at that overload equals. So let's check the header file first. So here it is right here. So it's public constructor point type ampersand operator equals constructor point type ampersand semicolon. So that's good there. Let's just save that one. Let's go to the implementation file. So everything's off keel on that. Implementation file. There was no errors on here. That's the scary thing. Find that equal. There it is. So this one is constructor. Point type ampersand point type semicolon operator equals constructor point type other PT. Yeah. This is not equal to. This is not equal to ampersand other point x equals other point x and y point. Let's check our main again. Things off here. There to show us that anyway. Things there looks good to me. All right, so what I'll do is once we figure this out, get to this far, check the comments and check the description to figure this out. I will look at it harder and see if I can get this up to 100. In the meantime, thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next. Like I said, don't forget to check the comments or the description for the solution in there when I find out what it is. All right.